Alright guys, I just did a few edits to our Instagram app and I'm going to go to the file and click export. So aside that, you can see the export tab. There are two ways to export. Either using the file or coming to the export tab by the side in the design pane. So I'll go to my downloads folder and here's just the design I exported. Yes, I export it as a PNG. Now I'm exporting as JPEG. I can also export it as SVG or a PDF. Those are the 4 different formats you can export. So here's my PDF version of this. Look at everything is looking crisp and clean. So that's just it. Here's the JPEG version. Those are the 4 formats you can export. And you can also have the preview section where you can see what you're about to export. So, and I can also export all the frames. That's all the designs I've done. So Figma frames. So once that's done, you open this, you can see it's 96 MB. It's going to export all the frames in a PDF file. Yes, every frames that I just played around with, it's exported it in a Figma file.